services in the Openstack. So RabbitMQ plays a major role in queuing up the service requests. Coming to Keystone, Keystone is an identity management service here. Yes, sir.
You have enabled IP forwarding service in the system.
Right.
Why do we need that? We are going to connect with some external server.
No, it is actually to forward the packet within the internal network.
But we are connecting with some other system. So how?
Maybe I can answer that.
Yes. We have a standalone system at the office.
Yeah, I actually don't think like that is okay. Usually connectivity you already given instruction to create images to take it out. So go and wait for that particular time. So if some other request is so we are queuing up the request. The request may take time more than.
I think he is asking about IP forwarding, right?
IP forwarding.
Okay.
Standalone system at our disposal.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm trying to install this Openstack and all that.
Right.
Why do I need IP forwarding?
Yeah, the thing is, when you are connecting this server, okay, multiple networks. For example, this installation we are showing everything on a standalone machine. Maybe it is a laptop or a desktop. On that, we are going to, at the time of testing also, we are going to create 2-3 instances. So now these 2-3 instances will be talking with each other. So they should be on one LAN.
So 2-3
Right.
virtual systems on the
Yeah,
same
virtual systems will be working on the same machine, so you require one LAN. Now assume that you are having some, you want to show to your friend how it is going to work. You want to do a testing also. So you have to provision a public IP or any other IP. So when one network is going into the other network, okay, so you require a forwarding over there. That is the reason you are giving the IP forwarding. Right?
So we will provide the authorization key token for Openstack on the Keystone. Keystone requires this token information for getting authenticated to the Openstack services. Provide an email ID. Say support at Keystone is installed. It is actually starting the services now. Keystone is installed now. To verify whether the Keystone services are installed on this thing, we have to set up an environment variables by setting up openstack.env, which will set up the environment variables for the particular server. And say Keystone-user-list. You see the users here. It's created with the users with the IDs, enabled with the email IDs. These are the users. Okay. You can also say we're done with the Keystone. Now we're going to install plans, which is imaging services.
Are those default users for the installation?
Yeah, the default.
Or you have created?
Sorry? No, these are the default users. We're installing plans here. Plans is image services here for us, which generally have the image source within the database of the class, which enables us to bring down, import more images under the services. You have other services called class APIs, which are the part of the class, which will be the part when we try to get a query from the class. These are the dependencies which get the data from the services. It's downloading the image from the internet. We have just kept a small image, okay, to avoid the damage. You can see here the image has been uploaded here. This is the disk format, that is the whole format container. you can see this. This is the image which has been imported. You can see this image in the dashboard when I show you how to create the image. I want to install Nova. Nova plays a major role here. Nova is a completing service which will take care of the entire projects, the hardware flavors, everything from the core level. So here if you see, we have to provide a primary Ethernet interface, which is the interface which we try to connect to the servers. Series
You can use 192.168 is 0 or 1, whatever you want. Primary, right? It is
Yeah,
primary.
yeah.
This is the same IP which we are going to use. This is the same IP because this can be used as a controller. So it is 192.168.122.64. This is the primary IP because this is the controller IP. Here if I want to access the dashboard or whatever the services, so it is the controller IP.
So we provide the internal communication for virtual interface IPs.
This is the network where we are going to use the, just now as we said, virtual instances which we are going to keep. Those machines will be getting these IPs, which we are using the same default 192.168.0.0/24. Okay, this is the network for internal VMs. That is, whatever we are going to create the instances on the Openstack, they will be using these IPs. And it is prompting for the first IP.
Provide the IP internal IP. Actually, configuring the Nova here, Nova services. Start the Nova.
In this,
Just to leave it out, and the script looks pretty much Ubuntu specific.
yeah, it is Ubuntu specific only.
So how how it is different from something like DevStack?
Yeah, actually when we are talking about the dev stack, in the dev stack we install, okay, everything, I don't know what it is installing, only after the installation I can see what had happened.
Not really.
Okay, right,
So DevStack also provides options, I guess.
yeah, same options. So here when we compare with the board, okay, we have not taken the dev stack where it will deploy everything. So we want to go module by module. And here in this Nova, we are going to configure all the Nova compute everything on the same thing. And this installation which we have designed for the machine which is having 2 Ethernets. Okay, and if anyone is planning to install on your laptops or desktops or whatever it is with single interface, okay, for them also we are having a document which is already posted on the website. There you can refer. Thank you.
Finally, we want to install the dashboard services for Openstack. It's called Horizon. Okay, so we are done with the installation now. Okay, so just want to, you can see here, go with this URL. Users username and password, you will log out to the dashboard. login as admin. Password as password. So this is the dashboard for admin login. We'll just take a break and then we'll come back and we'll show you how do we create a virtual machine here.
Wow. This one open